hukm for touching a dog is jaiz to touch a dog. If a wetness of a dog gets on you, you have to wash it. In the Sharia, there are some different opinions. The stronger opinion is the dog in itself is not najis. Walagh al-kalb, the saliva of the kalb is najis. Now that I touched him, but because it's been raining and he's wet, I'm going to wash my hand 7 times, the first of them with either earth or soap. But again, it doesn't mean that we don't show love to dogs. Dogs are a creation of Allah. As Muslims, we don't hate dogs, we don't hate pigs, we don't hate any of the creation of Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told about Ashab al-Kahf and their dog in the Qur'an and praised the dog of Ashab al-Kahf for the standing guard and so on. The point there being, some Muslims have this, oh my God, it's a dog. No, the dogs are great. Sahaba had dogs, they used to hunt with them. If you keep a dog for a Shari'i reason, for example, hunting, guarding, shepherding, using for things that the Sharia gives us a reason. Many of the ulama have said even seeing eye, like if you need a dog because of disabilities, keeping those reasons is permissible. It does not decrease your reward. Some people keep a pit bull in their house, there's no reason, and then things happen, and sometimes, quite often, the pit bull will bite. Not just pit bulls. Pit bulls are great dogs. It's how you treat dogs. But a dog might turn on their owner and so off because of mistreatment. So putting that without necessity, the Sharia forbids. So yes, for that you will lose 1 qiraat of reward in the house if you keep one without a reason. That's not permissible.